Magandang araw ho sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na sa mga kawani ng gobyerno na nag-aabang ulit for salary increase sa 2025 as stated doon sa Executive Order number 64. So ngayon ay October is almost over na. So 2 buwan na lang, it will be 2025. So sa lahat ng mga kawani ng gobyerno, we are expecting salary increases from this year, 2024 hanggang 2027. So sa 2025, alamin ho natin magkano ba yung increase ng mga salary grade ninyo. Okay? So let's do the math. Alright, so dito makikita natin, ito yung ating basihan for, how can I say, yung batayan ng salary increase, okay? Sa lahat ng mga kawani ng gobyerno. Alright, so this is Executive Order number 64. So punta na tayo. This is by President Bongbong Marcos. Okay? So this is the first tranche na nangyari ho. I guess this September or October, no? Yung mga iba baka na ano lang. So ito yung mga first tranche na nangyari ngayong taon, okay? Especially lalo na sa mga teacher kasi yung teacher 1 is nasa salary grade 11, yung teacher 1, yung teacher 2 is salary grade 12, teacher 3 nasa salary grade 13, then yung master teacher I guess nasa salary grade 18, yung principal, andito ho yan sila. Okay, so tingnan ho natin. Right now, ito yung natatanggap ninyo for step 1. Okay, nandiyan, step 2, step 3. So, yan ho ang natatanggap ninyo na sahod for the first tranche. Now, in 2025, tingnan natin for the second tranche. Alright, so looking forward kasi mag-New Year, it would be another tranche doon sa mga salary increases. Alright, so dito tayo, yung salary grade 11 natin for teacher 1. Step 1, magiging 30,024. Yung nasa step 2, 30,308. Yung nasa step 3, 30,597, so on and so forth. Yung teacher 2, nasa salary grade 12, that's 32,245 kapag step 1. Teacher 2 na step 2, that is 32,529. Then step 3, that is 32,817, so on and so forth. Then, kapag teacher 3 in 2025, salary grade 13, that's 34,421, yung nasa step 1. Then, yung nasa step 2 is 34,733. Yung teacher 3 na step 3, that is 35,049, so on and so forth. So that's for teacher 3. Tapos yung mga head teacher 1, head teacher 2, head teacher 3, ganon. Then, yung nasa salary grade 18, yung mga master teachers, master teacher 1, that's 51,304, step 1. Master teacher 2 na step 2, master teacher 1, sorry, na step 2, 51,831. Master teacher 1 na nasa step 3, 52,367, so on and so forth. Then, yung mga principal, nasa salary grade 19, that's 56,390. Yung kapag step 1, kapag step 2, 57,165. Then kapag step 3, 57,953. So on and so forth. So kapag yung salary grade is nasa salary grade 22, it will be 78,162. Kapag step 1, salary grade 22, step 2, 79,277. Then step 3, 80,411, so on and so forth. So yun ho ang matatanggap ng ating mga kaguruan mula sa Department of Education starting from salary grade 1 until siguro yung iba nasa salary grade 22, 23, 24, hindi ho natin alam. So yun ho ang inyong matatanggap for next year. Abangan ho natin starting January 2025. Alright? So, happy na ba ang lahat na yan ang inyong matatanggap? May God bless us all. Magandang araw ho sa ating lahat. Alright? So congratulations dahil merong increase in 2025. Magandang araw.